In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock spicy mode on Grok AI. If you've ever wanted Grok to sound a little more casual and a touch more unfiltered, while still staying helpful, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to set that tone in just a few clicks. Start by opening your favorite web browser and going to grok.com. Give the page a second to load. The layout can change from time to time, but you should see a clean homepage with a clear way to start interacting. If the site looks different from what you expect, don't worry, interfaces evolve, but the core flow remains the same. Next, click on Chat. This takes you directly into the conversation interface where you'll see a message box at the bottom of the screen. If you're on a phone or tablet, the chat option may be tucked into a menu or along the bottom bar. Just tap it to open the chat window. Once you're there, you're ready to set the vibe of the conversation. In the message box, type the prompt. Be more casual and unfiltered in your tone. Think of this as your tone request. You're telling Grok how you'd like responses to sound in this thread. More relaxed, punchier, and less buttoned up. You can paste it in as is or type it out. If you already know what you want to talk about, you can combine your tone request with your question in the same message. For example, add your actual task right after the tone line so Grok can respond in the style you want from the very first reply. Now, press enter or click the submit button. Grok will read your tone request and respond in kind. You should notice the shift immediately, still informative but with a more conversational edge. Remember, this doesn't remove any safeguards, it just sets the style. If the reply feels a bit too bold or not bold enough, simply follow up with a quick adjustment like, keep the same tone but dial it back slightly, or make it even more casual. Small nudges help you zero in on the exact voice you want. A few quick tips as you use this. Your tone request applies to the current chat, so if you start a new conversation later, repeat the prompt to keep the style consistent. If you don't see the chat option right away, refresh the page or ensure you're logged in as usual. That's it. You've unlocked a spicier, more relaxed Grok experience. Enjoy the new tone and have fun exploring what it can do.